Okay, so even when I have a thousands number, I'm still using my same strategy. I'm going to take the 63. It is still my divisor, and my dividend is still 3,739. Now, if you see here a multiple of 10, I could still use multiples of 10. I can either do 20 now this time too, but I'm going to stick with multiples of 10 because it's easier to multiply and easier to subtract. So I start my first 10. Don't forget, whoopsie, I make the hangman sign. 63 times 10 will bring me to 630. I subtract 9, 0, 1, 3. Multiply by 10 again. Brings me to again 630. Subtract 9, 0 minus 3 I can't do, so that's going to become a 10. I had to borrow it from over here, so that becomes a 10. And I had to borrow it from the thousands place. 10 minus 3 is 7. 10 minus 6 is 4. 2 minus nothing is 2. Multiply by 10 again. Brings me to yet again 630. Subtract. 9 minus 0 is 9. 7 minus 3 is 4. And I could regroup here. I could just say 24 minus 6 is going to bring me to 18. Now I'm going to move over here since I'm running out of room. So now I have 1,849. I'm going to do 10 again, which is 630. Subtract. 9 minus 0 is 9. 4 minus 3 is 1. 8 minus 6 is 2. 1 minus nothing is 1. Go 10 again. 630 again. That's 9. This is a 3, a really bad 3. I have to regroup here, so that will be an 11. And this also becomes an 11. 11 minus 3 will be 8. And 11 minus 6 will be 5. Now I can't do 10 again. If I do 10 again, that's 630, and that's too big. So now you might have to work in multiples of 5. So over here, I'm just going to try out before I even put a 5. 63 times 5. 3 times 5 is 15. Regroup. 315. Yes, I can do a 5 because that's smaller than the 589. And don't forget, I put my 5 over here because that's my partial quotient. 9 minus 5 is 4. I'm totally running out of room. 8 minus 1 will bring me to 7. 5 minus 3 will bring me to 2. 274. Now, I can't use 5 again because we just saw that was 315, and that's going to be bigger than 274. So now here's where you're going to have to work a little multiplication. So maybe you might want to try 4 now. If I do 4, 4 and 3 is 12, regroup, that's 252. Yes, that's good because that's smaller than 274. So now I'm going to come over here. I'm going to put my 4 here. And I'm going to take the 252, the 274. So remember, I'm just running out of room, but we left off with 274. And I'm going to subtract it from 252. 4 minus 2 is 2. 7 minus 5 is also 2. Now, this is smaller than my divisor, so I stop. This is going to be my remainder. And I'm going to add 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 55, 59. Okay? And now I can't